All right.
All right, we're recording the sewer line here. What's our address?
1219 16th Avenue East.
1219 16th East. Date is October 26, 2020. I'm sitting out of the Seattle City mainline sewer right now. Zero our footage out, and we're going to come back from here. So, coming back into 6-inch clay, 6-inch diameter clay pipe there. Pretty quickly into a piece of plastic that's been installed sometime previous.
So it's a 6-inch pipe essentially.
Yep, once you get out in the right of way. So sidewalk, usually they make that transition. Back into clay pipe there at about 28 feet or so. Needs a touch of grease, doesn't it? We're going from 4-inch diameter to 6-inch right there. See a diameter shift in the pipe.
What was the 4-inch from?
4-inch diameter is to the right of way, 6-inch once you get to the right of way out to the main. It's just a code thing.
Okay.
Little bit thicker walled pipe. Supposed to handle the rigors of being run over 400 times, but a day. Let's do zero the footage out at that point. Coming back now into 4-inch diameter pipe. Upside down. Got some root coming in right there at that joint. Yeah. This is an old downspout line. Until that's cut off at some point, or I don't even know if those are functioning or if they're still tied in. That root's gonna continue to grow in probably each summer. As everything dries out, those roots attack the pipe because they got a good source of nutrients there. Here we got a little sand through the pipe, but doesn't anything jumping off the page.
Actually, this is pretty fucking piece of shape. I mean, amazing for this.
There's a tie in there.
Oh, wow.
You got some root,
Oh, yeah.
or a little bit of, that's probably just loose from when you cut it out.
Is that where the thing is you cut out? Maybe it's 40 feet down.
He
Could be, yeah.
and coming back into this plastic here. To end the recording there. There's our clean out we accessed it from today.